If you want to set a specific notification sound for a contact of your choice in messages on the Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then in that case we need to open the Google Messages app and we're going to open the conversation or the contact for which we want to change the notification sound. Now we're going to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and then choose Details. Now in here we're going to go to Notifications and then select Sound. Now in here we can choose the new sound that should be played when we receive a new message from that contact. So in my case I'm going to go to pre-installed ringtones, and of course over here we have a bunch of different sounds that we can use. Once you find your favorite one, we can just press apply over here and then confirm. And if you see this prompt over here, we need to grant access for themes to be able to apply this ringtone. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.